G'day and welcome back to the Weedy garden, the little garden on the hill where we try and keep things simple and inspire you to get your hands dirty and get reconnected again to the earth and to nature, to grow your own food and to live a happy life. We're up here with my chickens on this episode, parsley, sage, rosemary and thyme, my 4 chickens. I got them when I was up here doing an experiment to see if I could eat my own weight in food from the garden. I got a little chicken house at that time, but it was a little bit too small. It might seem like this little chicken house is a huge big chicken house, but in fact it's actually quite small. Unfortunately there was not enough room for Rosemary, so she was always sleeping outside. So Rosemary got a chill and unfortunately she passed away. So I built this one, but because I had the electric fence around, I thought that would keep the snakes away and the dingo away and the fox away and everything. So I didn't think too much about putting in a bottom or a door. But then one day I came up to the garden at night time and I found Sally. Come up to the garden at night time to photograph the cane toads, and I found a carpet snake in the chicken run. So I'm going to catch it, put it in a bag and take it away because it got through the electric fence. Shit. I've got to find the snake. There it is. It's just heading up towards the tree. I'm going to see if I can try and grab it with this rake. There we go, Sally. Just crawl up on the rake there, dear. Can you do that for me? See if I can get you up on the rake. Watch out. Move it. Ah, got to throw it down. Got to throw it. There we go. Look, I'll just get you up on the grass. Here we go. And I'll grab the bag. Just crawl up there in the bag. Just crawl up there in the bag, Sally. We don't want you around the chooks. Okay, thank you. But I think she was more interested in the rats than she was in the chickens. But that prompted me to put a floor on the bottom of the chicken coop. So I put a floor on the bottom to stop anything coming up, and I put a door on the front, an automatic one, because I didn't want to come up and down every day to open and close the chickens. So I put a door on it and I put a floor on it, and I thought all was well, my chickens are safe. And it was a cheap one because I didn't want to spend too much money. So then about a week later I get an email from this company called Chick Cozy, and they said, "Hey Weedy, would you like to have a chicken door, an automatic chicken door?" And I went, well, I actually already have one. And at that point, I didn't know that cheapo one that I bought was not going to last. So I said, thanks, but no thanks. That cheapo one that I bought didn't work for very long. And one day I came out here and the chickens, they were still inside in the middle of the day because the thing hadn't opened properly. All this little system inside was broken and it was just flipping up and down like that. And it wasn't working properly. So what did I do? And so then I sent an email back to that lady at Chick Cozy and I said, I'll tell you what, I will have one and I'll do a little video. So we're going to do a little video and show how we put the new door in today. You can see they're kind of excited. They feel like they know what's going on. So they can come in and out, and I can just program it to open when the sun comes up and to close after the sun's gone down automatically. So you can see the quality of this one. This is the one I bought to start with, and a little cheap motor and the little wires, and now it's just all, it just ended up catching on there and wasn't turning it. Anyway, chuck that away. Good stuff. I think then I just press this one and hold it for 3 seconds. Open in 3, 2, 1. And seemed to click on that little screw. Let's have a look at that. We'll close it again. You just hold it down for 3 seconds and then it'll open. If I'm a chicken, I'm on my way in and I get in, oh, it opens it up again. Yeah, so I popped on the new door and the chickens love it, so thank you, Chick Cozy. You can also find them on the Weedy Garden website. I move the chicken run around the garden every few months so they get a new place to scratch. So today I'm going to move it from this position to this position. The chickens are old now and only parsley and thyme remain. Although they don't lay any eggs anymore, they are still a valuable part of the garden. Not only do they keep me company and add a delightful tune to the air with their clucking, they also provide golden nuggets for the garden because they create chicken manure. And we know what chicken poo is good for. I use the chicken poo up in the garden, and I use it in my bacteria juice, and I use it in my compost. So I've got my chicken manure and I'm going to go and put that up on my compost. So stay tuned and I'll see you on the next episode. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, you can always press the subscribe button. Have a nice day and I'll catch you later. That was Parsley. She just said goodbye as well.